something for me? Huh? You want food? Do you want your treat? You have you already in the morning. Do you want more? Huh? Do you want your treat? Come on, Mama. Come on. Oh, there's another one, Tambuk. There's another one, Tambuk. Hey! Diyan pa lang. You want to treat? Yeah. You want something for me? Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sosha. Happy birthday, Sosha. You are also two years old now, Mika.